Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.4.11 Input Finish Shelf Base Front to Back Strip Quantity. Remember, a material row item on the cost workup sheet does not have a value to include in the cost until a price is entered in column T. On all cost workup sheets, the quantity is determined by the numbers in column Q and column R. The quantity of 4 shelves in row 303 column Q comes from a SUMIF conditional formula in cell Q303. The formula is explained in a separate video. Be aware the origin of the quantity 4 shelves is the project dimension sheet, cell U588, which has the range name SCTN1, SHLF, BSE, A or L, LWR, QTY, which means section 1, shelf, base, all or left, lower, quantity. Column R is also used because there are left and right edges that utilize front to back strips of plastic laminate for each of the 4 shelves. Enter the quantity 2 for the front to back strips in cell R303. Any quantity of strips can be entered in column R, including fractional values, in the form of a decimal number. When the quantity 2 is entered in cell R303, if it changes the quantity, the total material cost, $1.02, for the material is calculated in cell X303. After entering the quantity, return to the instruction sheet by selecting the tab to the left along the bottom of the window. This example 2.4.11 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.4.12.